we have seen, there is a part of the brain that allows us to feel a sense of unity in the body. When this area is damaged, we may feel a sense of separation between different parts of the body, as if some of them did not belong to us. We are able to move them, but we feel as if that leg or arm is not ours, as if it were foreign. We may also find that this part disappears from our consciousness, as if we never thought about it, and it is only when someone points it out to us that we realize the arm is there. There are a number of neurological disorders that can affect this area of the brain. It has also been shown that immobilizing a limb for 2 weeks, with a cast, for example, has an impact on the connections that allow the ego to recognize that part of the body. This is why when a cast is removed, it can feel very strange for several days, as the brain has to reaccustom itself and reclaim the limb. Other areas of the brain allow us to feel the location of the self in space. Injuries to these areas can also cause changes in how we perceive ourselves. Instead of seeing ourselves from the inside, with the self at the center of the body, we may see ourselves from the outside, as if we had left our body and were seeing ourselves from another place. This can be quite a confusing experience. The perception of the self is therefore something very complex, requiring the work and connection of many parts of the brain to enable us to feel the unity of the body and its location in space.